So one of the things I'm always asked is, can an entire vlog be filmed on a basic GoPro with no mic, no nothing fancy? Well, in today's episode, we're about to find out. Roll the intro.
Thought I'd never make it, like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days.
What is this place called? Santa Barbara Business College. There goes Jesse in the background and my sister. Say hi, guys. Welcome to YouTube. Check out how beautiful the view is. Look at this. Oh my Jesus, look at that. Well, cousin Ryan, how was it out there?
I lost my Florida sea turtle bracelet.
No, you lost the Florida one? Go find it.
I know, I looked for it for 37 seconds and I didn't find it.
Oh, it's right there somewhere. It's right there. Just look, it's right.
I don't want to be mean or nothing, but I hope a turtle chokes on it.
So I just got out of the water in the ocean with my cousin Ryan. I seen literally 3 sharks almost in the water. What? Or it was probably some seaweed. Okay guys, it is Sunday morning and we spent the night in this little tiny cabin. We are still out in Santa Barbara area. So far on this little walk, it looks like some kind of little house on the prairie area or something, but it is beautiful. Man, look at this. All the way around as far as we can see. Look at, and there's horses on the other side of those rails. You just can't see them probably from the camera, but as we get closer you can see a bunch more over in that area. Here comes Ryan for another vlog.
I was wondering. Hey, check it out, dude. Here's a whole map of our area. We're like right here somewhere. It is a little church. Let's go down there.
Oh, heck yeah.
It's open too. If there's a facility here, they'll usually leave it open.
That's an abandoned church right there. Okay guys, we just found this abandoned looking, I don't know, some kind of, I don't know if it's a church, a hall. I don't know what this place is. Check it out. There's some benches. Nobody's here. Some kind of a chow hall of some sort. There's Ryan. Hey, what are you doing in there?
I'll tell you what she's doing. I caught her stealing earlier and I put her butt in jail where she belongs.
What in the world is this? Let's get out of here. This place is giving me the creeps. We are back at Santa Barbara. What's it called again?
Shoreline Park.
Shoreline Park. It's me and cousin Ryan.
Yo.
This is day 2 of our trip, and I want you guys to see this. Check out the ocean here. Okay, so we've made it down that cliff that I just filmed earlier, and we're now at the shoreline of the beach. Check it out. So the cliff is up there on top. If you can see it, there's the cliff. And check out the ocean. Look at this. Well guys, if this answers any of your questions about our GoPro travel vlog. Is it possible? Well, you tell me if it's possible. Is this video totally crappy? Or is it totally awesome? And subscribe for the next video because it will be better. Guaranteed.
Thought I'd never make it, like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days.
Everybody knows. I've said this once, I'll say it again. Everybody knows. Sharks only bite you if you try to touch their privates.
Ah!